This is an IntelliSEM tutorial for exporting and importing data and acquisitions. After IntelliSEM opens, select the database you want to work in. You can also check the default box to open to this database automatically. Here you will find the Workbench home screen. On the left side of the screen, you will see a down arrow button. Click the button and select Import IntelliSEM Export File. The Acquisition Import Wizard window will open. From here, click Browse to select the correct export file from its saved location. After selecting the file, click Next. Next, there will be a series of windows associated with the acquisition and how you want to manage the import. Typically, you can just continue to click Next through these windows, unless you want to edit any of the information provided from these windows. On the final summary window, select Finish to begin the import of the acquisition. On the next window, the import process will begin. Note import times will vary based on the size of the acquisitions being imported. When the import has completed, click Close. The recently imported acquisition should now appear in the directory tree on the left side of the screen. You can now select this acquisition and open it to view the data. Now, we will cover how to export a dataset. From the directory tree on the left side of the screen, select the acquisition you wish to export. From the Acquisition Summary screen, there is a button in the top right corner labeled Acquisition Tasks. Click this button and select Export. The Acquisition Export Wizard will open in a new window. Click Next to start the wizard. Make sure the acquisition you wish to export is selected and then hit the Next button. On the next window, you can click Next to keep the default saving options. Then, select a location you want to save the export file to using the Browse button. After selecting the location you wish to save to, hit Next. On the summary window, click Finish to start the export. Note, export times will vary based on the size of the acquisition. When the export has completed, hit OK on the pop-up window that appears. You can now send this acquisition to someone else or import it into a different database using the steps shown previously in this video. Thanks.